Hello everyone, welcome to YUCa Japanese Cooking. Today I want to show you how to make Japanese curry roux. The last time I filmed this video, it was 4 years ago, and I was just gave birth my first child, Kengo. The time flies so fast. I'm now a mother of 2 children. I can't believe this. And then the last video, I got many reviews, and maybe it's time to remake the recipe. This is very popular, and I'm sure you like Japanese curry rice. So I tested many times to create this recipe, and there are 3 updates. Update 1. In addition to butter, canola oil is used as the base for curry roux in this recipe. Update 2. I changed to onion paste to cook evenly to make a better texture. And update 3. I used the pre-made curry powder before, but I prepared the curry powder from scratch. Hope it's easy for you to cook. During this video, I show you some tips and techniques to make delicious and upgraded Japanese curry roux. So please watch until the end. Okay everyone, let's get started! Here are the ingredients. Okay, let's start making a Japanese curry roux. Last time I used only butter, but I want to make more smooth texture, so I used this canola oil this time. Now let's start to heat. The medium heat. Butter. Then we add canola oil. Now we wait until the butter melts. In the meantime, let's grate onion. Ooh, I'm gonna cry! Now all the butter melts, so we add onion. And also garlic powder. And stir until all the ingredients get brown color. Smells good! Now we have to wait for a while. So let's prepare the flour. Okay, it gets brown color. Bit more. Okay, so now we add flour. And we turn low heat. And we wait until it becomes dry. So we add turmeric, coriander, same ratio. Then cumin. Cumin has a little bit spicy flavor, so let's say 1/4. Nutmeg, also a little bit. And paprika. And white pepper. And salt, as usual, pinch. And don't forget to stir. Brown color. Oh, nice color. Now we add the curry powder. And mix all together. Smells so good. And at the moment, it's a normal curry roux. But today we will make a Japanese curry roux. So we add secret ingredients from now. And let's prepare the ingredients first. Ketchup. And soy sauce. And honey. And a little bit chili pepper. Like this much. If you like hot curry, please add a bit more. And last, apple. Now we grate. Of course, you can use the juice from the grated apple, but I want to use all the ingredients. Like that. Now we mix all together. Now we put in this pot. And we turn low heat. And mix all together. Smells so good. After putting the last mixture, it gets quickly thickens, and you can make a curry roux very quickly. And it's getting heavy to stir until you see that all the mixture gets smooth. I can see the chunk from the apple, so I push a little bit. All the curry roux come into one bowl. Yeah, and then same as last time, you can freeze this curry roux. You can use any container. Half. Okay, 1, 2. And you can dilute this curry roux with using same amount of hot water. So if it's 1 tablespoon, you can dilute the curry roux with using 1 tablespoon hot water. If you think it's a bit thicker, or starchy, you can add 2 tablespoons. Please flatten. Nice dark brown color and so many flavors and nutrition in this curry roux. So happy. So, upgraded version Japanese curry roux is done. Okay, so Sui-chan has come. Sui-chan, hello. Hi, bye bye, bye bye. I made a Japanese curry rice, and then in my curry rice, I put onion, potato, and carrots and some chicken inside. I'm planning to remake this curry rice recipe soon, so please stay tuned. Itadakimasu. Wow, looks so yummy. The roux is very creamy since I mixed butter and canola oil. It's nice texture. Japanese curry rice is very creamy and like a starchy. This is definitely sweet flavor Japanese curry roux. So again, if you like spicy, please add more red chili pepper. Definitely this is better than the last one. And I can taste a little bit sweet from apple and a starchy texture from honey and a little bit sour flavor from tomato. Ketchup. Good upgrade. So do you remember the tip? I use butter and canola oil this time because a bit more creamy and salty texture. And please grate onion. You can also use onion powder if you don't have time, but I recommend to use the grated onion for this dish. And if you can find mango chutney, you can also use the grated apple. It might be good to use jam as a substitution. I added paprika and nutmeg for this recipe. This is not must because I didn't put last time. So this is upgraded version. So if you don't have the seasonings, don't worry. And when you make roux, please be careful with the temperature of the heat. It's very delicate and it's easily to be burned. So please check. And after it becomes dry, please quickly turn high heat, stir quickly until it becomes paste texture. Then continue cooking, but be careful burning. And then you can freeze this curry roux. I recommend to use within, let's say, 1 month. So please preserve and enjoy Japanese curry anytime. So that's the tips. And if you haven't tasted Japanese curry rice or curry roux, please recreate this recipe. And if you have a question, please always ask me. Please write the message in the comment box down below. And I also planning to put this recipe on my free recipe app. It's called Recipe by YJC. Recipe by YJC. Special thanks to Mario and Luigi. They're always sleeping, so I sometimes forget. They are here. Thank you for watching, everyone. See you next video. Bye.